Finally, the Bandra police have recorded the statement of actor Saif Ali Khan on Thursday late in the evening in the case where he was attacked by an unknown person. Mumbai police sources have also informed us that Saif Ali Khan's statement in this regard was recorded. If you remember, only his statement was pending since he was not well and he was kept in the hospital for the post-surgery recovery, and that's why his statement was not recorded. But now Mumbai police on Thursday late in the evening had recorded his statement at his residence, and according to Mumbai police sources, Saif Ali Khan has given all the details related to that particular date. So according to the Mumbai police sources, the information which we have gathered from them, Saif Ali Khan in his statement have clearly mentioned that on the day when he was attacked, and that particular day early in the morning between 2:30 to 2:40 a.m. He heard some noise, he heard some screams when he was sleeping at his residence on the 12th floor of that particular building. And then he realized that the noise is basically coming from the 11th floor where his son Jahangir is basically stays, or his room is there. And that's why he went downstairs and he saw that there was an unknown person who was basically threatening and attacking the Jahangir's caretaker, and that's how Saif basically got into that. He basically tried to stop that attacker. He held that attacker from behind and tried to overpower that attacker. Meanwhile, Jahangir's caretaker basically took Jahangir out of that room, and she also went. But Saif, in a statement, said that after a few minutes, this attacker started attacking Saif Ali Khan, and with the help of that knife, or we can say the help of that sharp object or a sharp tool, he started hurting Saif Ali Khan. Saif Ali Khan somehow overpowered him and managed to escape from that room. But he said that while leaving the room, I made sure that I will lock this person in the room, and he locked that attacker in the room, and then he came out. Saif Ali Khan was injured. There were injuries on his back, on his neck, as well as on his hand. And that's how his family members basically, after seeing Saif Ali Khan and his injuries, they decided to rush him immediately to the nearest hospital, which is Lilavati. And after that, we know that Saif Ali Khan basically was taken to the hospital, Lilavati hospital, in an auto rickshaw, because that time his driver were not on the duty, and that auto rickshaw was the only option in front of them to take him immediately to the hospital. But if we talk about this particular case, there are a lot of such questions which are still unanswered. That though he went inside, or though he basically went inside Saif Ali Khan's house using the duct, but how did he manage? Why basically he chose Saif Ali Khan's residence only? And more important, that how he was basically able to manage that he could not get catch in any of the CCTV in the entire area, because the CCTV footage which Mumbai police have so far got from the entire premises or from the entire area, they have only got two frames. One frame is of Saif Ali Khan's residence, which is the 6th floor they have got it, and other frame they have got near Bandra station, and that frame. So these only two frames they have got. Also, there are several questions which the politicians have raised. Politicians like Sanjay Nirupam have raised the question that if Saif Ali Khan has gone through or underwent a 6-hour long surgery, then how he was allowed to take a discharge within 4 to 5 days, and how Saif Ali Khan is walking very healthy or very comfortably and not showing any sign of discomfort. Whereas on the other hand, the Cabinet Minister Nitesh Rane also raised a lot of questions that how Saif Ali Khan's, and he basically raised the question about the entire incident, and he feels that this entire incident maybe he has put a question mark on that entire incident, whether it is real or not. So there are a lot of such questions related to this particular case which are still unanswered,